Which of the following can underline the science of espresso according to the passage? The geographical influences are integral to the understanding of science of espresso because of the relationship between the coffee seed and its surrounding environment. So, the geography or the nature of places with physical features or the study of physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and of human activity as it affects and as it and is affected by these, including the distribution of population and resources, land use, and industries, can underline the science of espresso. And so, option B is the correct answer, while option A, C, D, and E is not concerned by the passage with the botanical history, air, water, soil, or weather and season, because all of which are absent from the passage. So the correct answer is choice B.